Everyone, tonight an up-late investigation into Georgia's mental health services, currently under federal supervision for failing to care for his mentally ill.
So the state says it's recently proven that it can manage its mentally ill alone. But as Reveal investigator Andy Parati uncovered, many believe the state is far from ready.
Yeah, we want to warn you folks, some of the video you're about to see can be difficult to watch.
I unfortunately think this abuse has probably been pervasive for years.
Brian Gerard is an attorney who represents some of Georgia's most vulnerable citizens. Joey Kaysen is one of them. In 2013, the 55-year-old man moved into this facility in Gordon, Georgia, after his family could no longer care for him.
Physically, he is not disabled. I mean, he's able to function physically, but he is severely mentally disabled.
Cameras inside recorded one of the worst cases of abuse Gerard has ever seen. That's Joey sitting in the back. Watch as one of his care providers walks over with a belt, hitting Joey 30 times.
I think anybody would find the video despicable.
A Reveal investigation uncovered similar claims of abuse, neglect, and exploitation are on the rise at licensed mental health care providers. From 2017 to last year, a nearly 40% increase, according to records obtained from the Georgia Department of Behavioral Health and Developmental Disabilities. This 2018 report by an independent reviewer hired by the state and federal government sheds light into more concerns. While it praised Georgia for its substantial investment of resources for the mentally ill over the past 9 years, it also criticized the state, writing, "There continues to be widespread concern about the lack of available resources for individuals with complex behavioral needs."
Safety and health, that's of the highest priority for the department.
Judy Fitzgerald is the commissioner of the Georgia Department of Behavioral Health and Developmental Disabilities.
Based on that, why should the public trust you that you can move forward protecting these vulnerable populations when that independent reviewer says you haven't quite done it yet?
What she has said is we're not doing it fast enough. When we do a review, and I will stand by our department's work, we have very, very thorough and comprehensive policies and protocols about what happens when an individual, a vulnerable individual, experiences an incident anywhere throughout our system. The independent reviewer, when she first came in, said transformation of the kind that you are undertaking usually takes about a decade. We feel that we have reached that level of transformation where we no longer need federal oversight.
I tell you what, Andy, it was really tough watching that video, seeing how Joey was being abused with that belt. How's he doing now?
Thank goodness he's doing a lot better. And according to his attorney, he is at a new facility in South Georgia.
All right, so did the commissioner have to say anything? What's the response to the rise in these abuse and neglect cases?
So the commissioner says that she believes that the increase could be due to better reporting measures recently put in place. I spoke with multiple advocates who say that they hope the state remains under federal supervision. They disagree with the commissioner.
All right, so what about the U.S. Justice Department, though?
We reached out to them. They did not respond. We'll let you know if anything changes.
All right, thank you, Andy.